We make a wide range of security grills and physical security products for different kinds of markets, offices, shops, businesses, you name it. Well, Cross-Guard started making grills as a division of the Bradbury Group. Now, both parts of the business, Bradbury and Cross-Guard, got much bigger. Bradbury relocated. Cross-Guard stayed in the site that we're in, but now we've got so much more space and more room to grow, and we've got a much better environment now for making our grills with more input and more structure.
Well as being a cheaper alternative, it also offers ventilation. For example, if the grill was installed in a shop front, it engages the passers-by to still look at the products that are available in the shop, but whilst also offering that level of security.
Maintaining the security grills is really easy. There's no mechanical parts. A little bit of lubrication, WD-40, and a wipe every now and then, and maybe vacuum the bottom track so there's no debris in there, but that's it really, and just do that periodically. Your grills will work for years.
The CX1 is our entry-level grill. It is affordable, it is easily maintainable, and it is extremely easy to use. Now it has straight lattice in there, it is bottom rolling, and it is one of the better selling grills.
Well, we're lucky enough to have a CX2 position behind us. As you can see, it's a very attractive grill firstly, and it's insurance rated security rating 1. It's got the curved S-shaped lattice, which is pleasing to the eye. It's top rolling, and it's available in lots of different colours, white being the most popular. Very easy to maintain. It's a great grill, easy to fit. I would always recommend the CX2.
So the Elite is our entry-level grill for the Extendor range. Now the Extendor range is what we call our premium range. Now with it being the entry-level grill, it does set the benchmark there. It is secure by design, although not insurance rated, but still is good to set off the Extendor brand with such a good grill.
The Vulcan is the second part of the Extendor range. The Vulcan is a security rated level 2, and we really start getting into high-end security with this grill. It's excellent on government buildings and high-end security installations that really do need to go the extra mile to get that level of security that's needed. The grill works brilliantly with the Elite and as with all the Extendor range because they all look the same, varying different levels of security, but they look the same. So you could go for high-end level 2 or 3 grills on the bottom story of a multi-story building and go with the cheaper option of the Elite, which is secure by design on the top layers to get more value for money and get it more cost effective. All the Extendor grills work really well with each other.
The Extendor Eclipse is the strongest and most robust grill that we offer. It's the only grill on the market that is security rated to level 3, and we are proud to offer that here at Cross-Guard. Now, with it being security rated to level 3, it can withstand attack from some power tools, including your hand drill, your hacksaw, your card jack, your gas torch, cordless drill, pipe wrench, and most popular tools there as well, which is what makes it the strongest grill that we can offer.
The Extendor range also goes into security caging. These are mostly used in data centres, some outdoor facilities that require things to be locked away with a security rating. So level 2, level 3 and even the Elite, which is secure by design, can be made into a cage. We've done some very high level data centers over the years, and these work brilliantly. The cages are available in a wide range of sizes and basically tailored to you. Whatever you've got that you need a cage around to a level 2 or level 3 rating, get in touch. We've got CAD engineers who can design a cage to go around pretty much anything. The level 2 and level 3 extended grills lend themselves to so many applications, and they've got that security rating.
We can deliver our grills anywhere across the UK. Now, if you order more than one grill, we do actually provide free delivery. We also pride ourselves on our lead time. On the CX range, we can turn it around in 8 to 10 working days, and on the Extendor range, it's 4 to 6 weeks. We also do aim to accommodate any unique situation that the customer might bring, and do try and make it work for them in any way we can. After watching this video, if you have any queries or any questions, or any needs in fact, you can get hold of either myself or Carl on 01724 709 722, or equally you can find our email via the website and get in touch, and we will try and help you in any way we can.
Also worth keeping an eye on our Facebook page and LinkedIn. Connect up, follow us, see what's going on. And don't forget, if you've got any requirements where you think, I don't think a grill can go there, it's likely that it can. Get in touch, we'll try and help, send us some pictures, we can go through all the applications with you, try and come up with a solution that suits you and the opening, and let's get you secured.